So today was the first time my parents-in-law, we decided to take them to the shopping. So here we are in Costco. This was the first time for them to come to Costco. We wanted to show them around and see how the food here are sold. This was really great experience for them to come and explore this area. So yeah, they were asking so much questions. They wanted to know what is inside these plastic containers. You know, you can see shrimps, you can see a lot of taco that is being rolled, lasagna. So they were asking so much question and wanted to know everything. So this was really great a video. So hopefully you stay at the end of the video to see more. So here Appa was explaining to them how cold it is here in the freezer. So this is where they keep eggs, milk, and yeah, they were able to enter so that way they can see how everything is being stored. Look at my mother-in-law, she is so happy. They said that it wasn't too cold. This is nothing actually. So yeah, they really enjoyed in exploring more. This is really great experience for them.
Guys, so today we came to Costco. I brought them first time to Costco, the wholesale store. Asked them the experience. எப்படி இருக்குது இந்த ஸ்டோர் எப்படி இருக்கு? என்ன பாத்தீங்க, என்ன பார்க்கல, என்ன கிடைக்குது?
Yeah.
அது இந்தியன் ஸ்டோர். இந்தூர்ல கிடைக்கிறது எல்லாம் இங்க சாப்பிடுற எல்லாத்துக்கும் கிடைக்கும். He's saying like everything we can find it here. He was asking if we can get like a cumin, like a mustard seeds, like a Indian grocery store. So I told them I'm gonna take them to the Indian grocery store.
Let's
so
go.
We'll go to the Indian grocery store. We will show you guys a small footage over there. Okay, let's go.
Hey guys, so we're here at Alibaba. Most of these products here are mainly Indian. I mean, they sell Indian food, Arabic food, yeah, international. So if you're here in San Antonio, you know this place, right? It's really cool. You can grab anything you want from any international food.
Brand da. பேர் தான் வேற. பூண்டு ஊர்கா. ஊர்கா கிடையாது, இது வந்து இதுல போட்டு வச்சிருப்பாங்க புளிப்பு தண்ணியில. My mom, she wants specifically Sunrise brand coffee powder. So we have the same brand Nescafe, but she did not like that one. She liked Sunrise one. She wanted to try this one.
Okay.
Yeah. எல்லாமே ஒரே மாதிரி தான். Oh, she likes the one when we bought it.
Oh, the HB product one. Yeah, we got it from HB.
The eggplant.
Appayi, how do you like it here? Yeah, super. So here they're happy to get some stuff.
Yeah, they bought green raisin, Sunsilk shampoo.
Oh, okay.
Sunsilk நம்ம இது parachute coconut oil.
They got some soap.
Godrej dye.
Super.
சின்னதா இருக்கு. This is also
that one you boiled the one. That's the one you boiled it. It's good.
No, it's dry. It's already. It's not fresh. எல்லாம் பழசு. இது வெள்ளரிக்காய்.
Look at guys, this is my favorite one. Look what she got. Bundi?
Karabundi.
Karabundi. Yep. They're happy to see all these snacks from India. You know?
This is a kappa chips.
Kappa chips. Oh. Andhra.
இது கடலை இல்லை கிழங்கு சிப்ஸ், மரவள்ளி கிழங்கு சிப்ஸு. இது வந்து இது உள்ள கொஞ்சம் பனானா வாழைக்காய் சிப்ஸு. இது பூந்தி சால்ட்டடு. இது மசாலா சென்னாதால் சால்ட்டட் ரோஸ்டட் பீனட்.
Chapati, baby?
We have it.
Oh,
I have
okay.
two. I'm just getting the kilangu chips. இது மஞ்சள் வேணுமா? காரம் chips banana.
Parota?
கோல் மசாலா இருக்குது.
ஆமாம், அது கூட அங்கே தான் போட்டு கொடுத்தாங்களே, அதான்
கொப்பரை தேங்காய். We just came here Indian store. You guys see some footages before. So நம்ம ஊருக்கு இந்த இண்டோருக்கு எப்படி டிஃப்ரெண்ட் இது இந்தியன் ஸ்டோர்
நல்லா இருக்கு. நம்ம ஊரோட இந்தியன் ஸ்டோரோட நல்லா இந்தியன்.
So he said
கச்சம்சான்னு கிடக்கும், இங்கே நீட்டாக இருக்கு.
So he's saying it's very organized, so very well organized. He likes it. So he knows where is everything.
Right.
India.
Yeah.
No sound.
There is no noise. He said no too much noise.
Yeah.
And it's very organized, very like a quiet. It's not like India. That's what he's saying.
I'm glad they like it. So yeah, so today is the first day for them to come.
Yeah, they've been so tired home because of the traveling. We went to Costco, you can see it, and we came to Indian grocery. We're just gonna go cook pongal. Maybe tomorrow we can do biryani, good biryani.
Yep.
ஆட்டுக்கறி பிரியாணி பண்ண போறோம் நாளைக்கு. இன்னைக்கு வந்து பொங்கல், மிளகு பொங்கல் பண்ணி சாம்பார் இருக்கு, அதை வச்சு சாப்பிட வேண்டியதான். Hi guys, thank you so much. You guys can see this is called Alibaba International Store. It's not exactly Indian grocery store. They sell all Arabic stuff, Indian stuff, African stuff. That's what they call international grocery store. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support you guys giving us. உங்களோட வீடியோ பார்க்கலாம் ரொம்ப நன்றி. வீடியோ பார்த்துட்டே இருங்க. நிறைய வீடியோ அப்டேட் பண்ணுறோம். இன்னும் இங்கே தான் இருக்க போகிறாங்க அவங்க. நாங்கள் அப்டேட் பண்ணுறோம் எல்லாமே.
Yes guys, thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. Yeah, they were so happy to see some of the products from India. So
My mom's so tired walking.
Too much walking.
Super.
My mom is say super.
Right?
Look, my dad looks stylish.
Everybody's looking great.